Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with one of our Hey RVW videos. Today we have a question from Susan who asks, why do you have East Coast and West Coast models from the same brand? Great question, Susan, and very easily answered. The cost of shipping an RV from the East to the West Coast is so expensive that some of the factories decided in order to save money and make them a little more affordable for their West Coast customers, they would build basically the same thing there. Now through time, it's changed a little bit. Sometimes they offer different options. They definitely offer different floor plans. Why? Because some floor plans are more popular on the West Coast. They're not so popular on the East Coast. So if you see an East Coast unit that you want, say built by Wildwood, for example, you don't like the West Coast options you have out there, then you can simply give us a call. We can sell you one. We can ship it out to you. But that's the reason behind it. The factories were simply trying to make units more affordable to folks on the West Coast than they could if they shipped them all the way out there. If you have a question, you can give us a call at 877-877-4494 or submit one of your Hey RVW questions to us on YouTube or Facebook. We'll get it answered on a future broadcast and make sure you're taken care of. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Appreciate you watching.